Good afternoon everyone, so we're going to be looking at another unboxing of a Bering watch. So let's get right to it, shall we? If I can get the actual cardboard cover off. Just look at the outside box. We've got sort of a, it's quite a lightweight box really, with a sort of a lined pattern going across the top of the watch. So here we go guys, this is the Bering Slim Classic, part of their Slim Classic range. They've also done a review of the Bering Solar as well. Go and check that out on my channel if you get a chance. So the watch is 41mm in case diameter with an 8mm case thickness. It's not a very thick watch at all. Retails at just £78. Probably weighs around about 75-100 grams. I couldn't find the weight of the watch online, so, and it operates on a quartz movement. So let's move down to the dial here. So dial, we've got a sort of a navy blue style dial here with a day, with like a day function and 24-hour readout and a seconds counter as well. Nice sort of slightly different colour blue outer ring. That just gives the watch a bit more detail really. Goes well with the nice stainless steel mesh strap and the stainless steel sort of brush finish on the casing. The watch comes with free atmospheric waterproofness and has sapphire glass going over the top of the actual watch. The actual casing itself is like plated as well. It's a stainless steel 316 casing with plating on top. So let's have a little look at the crown, and then we can have a look at the movement of the hands as well. So in the second position, we've got a good amount of feedback on the hands when we're in the second position now. Got a decent amount of feedback. The crown's nice and firm when you push it back in place. It's quite a nice effect on the actual watch. So we've got a nice date dial as well as the day on those two sub dials there, with the 24-hour readout here. The crown feels nice to push down in place, and it's got a nice sort of sunray finish on there. As you can see, the real light reflecting on it there. So coming down to the strap, we've got a mesh style strap, 23mm in lug width. With this sort of mesh strap, this would feed into the sort of the buckle itself. I'm not going to do that for now, but I'm just going to show you that buckle as well. A nice sort of brush finish on that Bering sort of clasp there. There's no sort of quick release option on the strap, unfortunately, so you just need to undo those screws to remove the strap completely. But it's one of those straps where you can quick and easily adjust the size of it, because it's that sort of style. And finally, coming and look at the back plate, we've got a nice Bering back plate here. I think it's a screw down case back with a nice sort of Bering print on the back there, with that sapphire crystal quoted on the back and the free atmospheric waterproofness. So there we go guys, that is the Bering Slim Classic.